Hello, I'm Chris. I'm a technician here at Sawblade.com. I'm here today to show you the proper way to install a band wheel tire. First off, when you receive your tire, place it up to your wheel. It's going to appear that the tire is too small for your wheel. It is not too small. We're going to show you a few tips today to help you install this tire on there. For starters, we first recommend that you take the wheel off of the saw. Do this by following the manufacturer's recommendation. Always wear your safety glasses. Second, for safety, you'll need a set of gloves. There's a couple items that you'll need that'll really come in handy that we have here. Number one is a couple zip ties. Number two, an O-ring that will assist you on putting the tire on. I'll show you our way of doing this. First off, we'll start with our zip ties. Make sure your rubber tire is up against the flange. Install your first zip tie securely. Spin your wheel. Grab your second tie and do the same. This is what it should look like when the zip ties are installed. Okay, there are a couple different techniques you can use in doing this. First off, I'll show you the method I prefer, which is by hand. First side, very easy. Spin it around. Second side, which is a little bit more difficult, but not too bad. There you have it. That's how you install it by hand. An alternate method that we've found handy is to use an O-ring. You can use a piece of plastic strap or pretty much anything that will assist you in this. First off, pull the one side on, which is relatively easy. Spin it around. In the second part, you loop your O-ring through. Make sure that you pull back towards the wheel. Give it a helping hand on the left side. Pull back towards the flange. And there you have it. For all your sawing needs, visit Sawblade.com. I'm Chris. Thank you for watching.